Well, today, folks, we're working on Charlie Charles. He has a new body kit. Yes, little jobs I've got to do. Fit the body kit. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. Take the tank off, put the pipes back on, put a washer on the other side of the exhaust, rewire the horn because the horn wires have broken, get some fuel, get the bugger running, and then Steve can have it back because I ain't painting bodywork. I have recommended a rear tyre. That one's starting to crack. Plenty of tread left on it really, but it's probably old. Front one looks okay, so that's what I'm going to crack on with. Step 1, remove the old bodywork knob. Right, now that's the bodywork off, the majority of it, and now what I've got to do is take off the indicators, lights, screen, seat pad, fittings off the side panels to transfer to the new one. But first of all, what I'm going to do, give it a wipe over because Mr. Spider has taken residence. So I'm going to give it a quick wipe over and then go from there. Press the fucking button, you twat. Fuck's sakes. time to have a look at the body kit. That's how much it was. Yes, time to get a knife. Is not bad at all. Primered, ready for painting. It's not sanding, but that's really good. I have noticed on these bits, it hasn't got the tags that screw onto the bike, just there. So that might be a problem. Might be. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. News. The actual finish of the panels is very good, however some of the lugs aren't quite lining up. I wonder if I can show you this without dropping it. So if I put that down, that's it. Yes, some of them lugs are going to need to come off and be rebonded. I don't know what bonding they've used. It's an ABS plastic. I mean the actual panel's great. but a couple of the lugs are in the wrong place. I really have not got the patience to sort that out. I don't want to sort it out. I also don't want to send the kit back because they're all going to be the same. The panels are great, they're not bad at all. In fact, I can probably get away with using the original side panels because they do actually fit. Top fairing mount, that's alright, that's not too bad. I say the rear seat cow's missing the bits that go into here, but all in all, sorry, I mean, next door neighbour's quietly fucking dying. All in all, it's not a bad kit at all, and to be fair, I've seen just nose cones for the same price as this complete kit. This was 250 quid, and to be quite honest, it's worth it just to piss around with a nose cone. So if you look at the nose cone, he's even put all the can you see? No, probably not. He's even put the pegs in to attach the headlight to and what have you. You do expect to do a little bit of finagling on a body kit, but it sort of knocked my morale down a little bit with those side panels. But like I said, I can get away with using the originals because there's not a lot wrong with those at all, so they can be original. The main fairing panels were really brittle, so I've not test fit one of them yet, and at this stage of the proceedings I don't really want to, so we'll see. But I'm sort of losing the will now.
6.5 hours later.
Right folks, several of your Earth hours have passed along with gas. I put some petrol in it, we've tried to start it, we've flattened the battery trying to start it because obviously all the float bowls and stuff are dry. That doesn't matter because it's pulling off a vacuum tap, so it's got to, if the float bowls are empty, it's got to spin. That battery's duff. We're going to get a new battery this week, but we've come to the decision. The main fairing panels, I think, the nose cone, the seat hump are good. The side panels are a piss poor fit. They're a lovely finish, but they're a piss poor fit. The lugs are in the wrong place, so I am actually going to complain to the eBay seller and see what they do, whether they want to rectify it. I really don't want to send the kit back because obviously a massive box, going to cost me a fortune. But yeah, so gone with the idea is what he's going to do one weekend or one day is going to come over, we're going to dry fit all the bodywork, see where it needs adjusting, do the finagling, and then his friend is a pro painter and he will paint the fairing for him, but obviously he's going to paint the whole bike in one go. I've suggested a Joey Dunlop rep, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, several hours have passed because we've been down Captain Beardy, who I was out with on the little on the other day, take a look at the Harley and what have you. It's got a couple of teething troubles, it's been stood a long time, the clutch has, when you pull the clutch lever in, it's still creeping, it's not disengaging fully, and that may be because it's been stood. The plates have sort of bonded together a little bit, so I think he's going to be, instead of MOTing it tomorrow, probably whipping the clutch out and having a look and what have you, and obviously he's got his own stuff to do as well. So yes, oh hang on, this is the BBC. So yeah, so that's the idea, is that's how far we've got. I'm going to order a new battery this week, we'll stick a new battery on it, but last time she ran like clockwork. So yeah, but my job was just to literally get it running. I've done that, so he's not bothered about the fluffer and all that lot, and he's just paid me back for the fairing panel, so that's a really nice surprise. Lovely. So that money's gone to Mumsy. Why not? And my beverage of the day, I've just had a pint cider up the pub. Shall I put some pictures of some food up? Yes, let's. Here's our food from today. Lovely. And then we had a homosexual chocolate brownie sundae. It was very, very nice, very enjoyable time, good catch up with Steve, and it's good. I'm enjoying my social life at the moment. Very small circle, but very select people. So yeah, it is Cop Doc. Is it Cop Doc? Something like that. Military show tomorrow. I went last year. I can't really justify going this year, to be honest. So yes, we'll see. I think Jane's going and Damien will go. They now own the Aprilia. So yeah, so that's going to do it for me for now. So sorry you didn't get it to see it to run, but neither did we. But when she is running, obviously I will make a video. When we're dry fitting all the bodywork, we'll make a video of that. And obviously we'll try and show you it after it's been painted, so that'll be later in the year. So thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one, which may just be the Harley, who knows.